Hi guys, how many times should I post in a day for me to make money on my social media platforms? This is a very great question that everybody has in their mind. I know you might be having it in your mind, or you might be asking yourself. You might be hearing people say, for you to post well, for you to make yourself be known, for you, a lot of words, a lot of education, a lot is on the ground. But exactly how many times do you need for you to post and make good money on social media? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. On Obamwita Immaculate, and I'm on Immaculate Show. This is Christine, your lady, the lady that says I shouldn't hold a smartphone and beg for bread. You guys, before I dive in on how many times should I post on my social media platforms to make money online daily, let me first appreciate you who has been here engaging. Engagement is one of the yardstick that makes our videos, makes our post go viral or go far, and you end up getting money. And to you existing subscribers, I love you. I've always loved you. I can't explain it. You guys, do you know I'm not a financial consultant? I'm not trained to come and give you, and I confirm that if you do this, you're going to be a millionaire on Facebook, on YouTube, on Instagram and TikTok. No, or with your smartphone. I'm not that. What I am, I'm a lady that uses these tips to make money on my social media platforms with my phone. I just invest in my focus. So I give you what has worked for me and what is working for people around. I don't bring sophisticated one. If you asked money that I said you put money and get this, that is not me. So let's go back to the question that you might be having in your mind, or you've had a lot of controversies or a lot of teaching about it. You guys, from my best knowledge and small and big experience I have, you will not tell me that I should post 2 times to make this. I should post 1 time per day. The only thing I can tell you, be consistent. Because like me, let me give you the highlight I use. It depends on your audience, and it depends also on the views you get. If I'm getting 1 million views in 2 days, why should I suffer with making many videos? No. It means I will make 1 video and I will edit it fully to the maximum. Then I post after 1 day, after 2 days. But if you're in a class of knowing that you have not yet hit 1K, 2K, I will not sleep waiting for it to reach 1,000. Because I have a target of the amount of money that I want on a monthly basis. So what I will do, I'll say if I'm getting 20 views on the first day of the video, you get to know that with time the views grows. It starts from 25, 10, 100. We are different. There are people who put a video and immediately, you will not compete with that person. Those people have already made their names. They've already made their brand. For example, like MC Mbarak. There's a post he put within 23, had more than 1,000. There's Kola Obidi. There's Nancy now, because of the sister and herself, she's becoming a big brand. Let's go to Africa, to East Africa. You will not compare yourself with SB4 because he has been in the business for long and his niche is different from yours. So if he's someone who is already rooted and with the audience is posting 1, doesn't mean that you should also post 1. First study your audience. After studying your audience, you see what you can do. Me, I told you my strategy is I want to get money, whether with views or without views, but it has to bring money. So what do? I post frequently. If I had a capacity, I would even post 4 per day, 3 per day, but that capacity is not there. So on Facebook, this month it is giving more earnings and results because of the way I've posted. So even you yourself, you sit down and study your audience and say, what do my audience want? Can I post frequently? Can I overload them? Can I send? You get it. So that question is a bit critical and is a bit tricky for beginners. That's why I said, okay, let me come and address it. When we were starting, they tell us you don't overpost. It will kill your channel. You don't do that. It will kill your page. Your people here, people present on this day, on this hour. Yes, we need to know what time our audience present. But sometimes it is not static. Sometimes it is different. So I encourage you to study your own audience and what is working for you, and know your objective. The rest is history. So you guys, thanks very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to follow us on Facebook, on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram. The name is Immaculate Show, and the major thing we are there is to bring free tips, not sold tips, free tips of what is working for people with their smartphone. Thank you. See you in another video. Bye bye.